Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and yes, I'm doing a second video on Valentine's Day, but not sure if I'm going to be able to load it up today, seeing that I have to edit the first one, load up all the information, and then upload it to YouTube, which always takes a little time. So if anything, this may be the next day, Monday. But look at this. I decided to make myself a Memorydex for Be My Valentine with my favorite things, Loopy Love. You must be so tired of seeing this Loopy Love now. But I love it. So that's why I keep using it. And of course, my little hearts and my lock and key Concord and Ninth Weekender bag again. Oh yes, oh yes. So I decided to make myself a Memorydex, which I'm going to make a couple Memorydex card. I started, and I'm going to have a sample share by, I would say by later on this week, because I've just been making some Memorydex card. I don't know, I'm in a Memorydex card kind of mood now all of a sudden, after making all those other cards for Valentine's. And so I turned this one into a shaker, and this Memorydex card comes from Becky Cat. This little inner stitched piece is what helped me to create the frame to make a shaker. So yes, you can make it as a shaker, or you can just keep it as one single piece, but I like it as a shaker. It also comes with these two clips. Didn't use that, don't need that. I mean, you know, for planners, yes, but no. But if you like it, go ahead. But to me, the cloud and the other piece, that's the ticket right there. There's also this set, which I think I've shown you guys this before, but I want to cut something with this too as well. So these are from Becky Cat, and I will link it below. Becky Cat from AliExpress. And if you're looking at these shaker bits on the inside, this is from Hobby Lobby, the Valentine's shaker pack. $2.99 I think it is, and you get all this, and you get like maybe 30-40 grams of shaker bits. It's a nice amount, so that's good. Another card that I made was this one, and I went, yeah, I know, this was last night. I was inspired by a Honeybee Stamps video that I saw where she took the, what is this called? Oh, Sealed with a Kiss, swag, Sealed with a Kiss lip, along with the die. Very good price point for these two. And she had stamped and cut and then layered it out on black cardstock. And I was like, you know what? Let me follow the inspiration I saw. And so I followed it and made this card. It's a 5x7 card. And I also have the Honeybee Stamps J'adore, which I know I told you I had it and I didn't show you, and then I found the die and here it is. It is a triple layer. So I have it on vellum, stitched, well, pierced vellum, the shadow, and then the word. So it's a 3-layer die from Honeybee Stamps. And then here's my little bear colored in a crazy dark pink color. And this is from Simon Says. That's from their kit. That's this set right here, this, and that's the sentiment in there. I think it does come with a matching die, but I didn't get it because the price point on the matching die was, oh no. I just fussy cut it at that point. I was like, no, it's okay. But I love these sentiments. I wish I had received this earlier and I would have, because I wanted to use this one. I may still use it anyway. Who knows, who knows? Maybe you can go, yeah, maybe I can use it on a Memorydex. See how it fits. As long as this covers it, then I know it can fit on a Memorydex. Look at that. I liked it. I like this. It's something different. It's a different style. And this ink here, this is my Catherine Pooler ink. So that's why you see my stamp all nice and stained, permanently stained, which, you know, seeing that it would always be stamped in this kind of color, I'm okay with staining my stamp, but I don't like staining my stamps. It drives me crazy. It just like, my eyes go straight to it. And lastly, I was inspired by Sarah Davies from Crafter's Companion. She has a new triple easel die set that she aired on HSN, the last HSN, which would have been the February show. And she had, I think it was circle, I want to say maybe rectangle, square, and then hearts. Now this is a triple easel. And I made this without buying her die set. I just used my nested, hold on, let me see if I can turn it this way. I just used my nested hearts to make this set. Let me make sure that I'm all, you know, zoomed in nicely. Look at that. Again, Loopy Love. And I was just playing with cardstock. This is cardstock from Hobby Lobby. And this heart layered die set actually is from AliExpress. I'm not sure if they have it in stock anymore. If they do, I will link it below. It will just say, I'll probably list it as Nested Hearts AliExpress. But look what it made. So this now, and I will do a tutorial. I'm going to do a different shape, seeing that Valentine's is going to be over. I'm going to do a tutorial. I think I'm going to do like a birthday version of this, but not in the heart. I'm going to do a different shape. But basically what you need is you need some sort of nested set to create it. Now this was in my last video and I have it right here, so I'll just show you. So I could use something like this. I probably would use this, oh gosh, my mind is going blank. I want to say the wonky, but it's not wonky. What is this? Torn edge. Torn edge as the inside piece, and then maybe put just a regular rectangle. This is a straight image that I can just measure out a 1/4 inch and cut it all the way around square for the layering, so that's not that big of a deal. Here now, though, when it comes to hearts and circles, you have to have the die. Or cut a bunch of circles coming in, just like how I did with the rocker card, where I was saying you could cut a bunch of circles on your cricket or your silhouette and do it as well. But the purpose behind this is that you make the base of the easel card, and then this one stands up on the one in front of it. The third one stays up by using the second easel die. The second easel die stays up by using the first easel die, and then the first easel die stays up by me using my, again, Concord and Ninth Weekender heart. I can't help it. I love it. I tell you, it's a multi-user. So if you don't have the tote, like so, if you don't have the tote, you do have the heart that you can use all the time. Oh my gosh, I find that so funny that I keep pulling that die set just to use the heart out of it. I just find that so funny. I'm like, how did this happen? And it's just like, really? I do have other heart dies, but there's just something so cute about this one. Really, really cute with the sizing. Alrighty, so that was just a quick little video on something that's not Trinity stamps that I was also just feeling. I told you guys I decided I wasn't going to do Valentine's. Next thing I know, here I am doing a ton of Valentines. But after today, I'm going to do a little bit of Memorydex. Then I'm going to get an early start on that spring and Easter, because I love those colors too. Although I think I'm going to miss coloring all these reds and pinks, because I kind of got somewhat good at doing it. I was able to start controlling the Copics. Alrighty, guys. Until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Love you guys. Thank you so much for your support and continuing to watch my videos. And thank you for all the wonderful comments. And sometimes if I have, if I'm like, what am I going to make a video about? I love when you guys, ask me something and I'm like, I can, help in any kind of way. Alrighty, so until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.